We're here at the Parklawn Office Park here in Midwest City, Oklahoma. Check out what we have here. A very nice vintage elevator here. It's a Dover. Look at that. Let's go to 5. It's gone into 1. Think that's just a public phone. That's the reality of this grill. Take a look at those beautiful buttons. Look, it's Dover. I got a classic bell. So if you want to get off here. Oh wow. This is actually a really nice building from like 60s. Nice view up here. That is a really good lantern. It's a beautiful elevator. It's a nice elevator. It's pretty big for an office building like this. I love the way they added the phone. And we're going down. That's why I automatically press the 1. But look at those buttons. Very, very nice. Hold on. It was the elevator. Look at that beautiful fornicator. Five is the only one that works. But yeah, look at that button. That is a nice button because they added fire service to that thing. But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.